You are watching T to the M to the IDD.
Remind you, I talked all about coming to Florida, right? So, got some things happen. So, who else is in Florida? Because we have to create and recreate, which is a long story, but I promise it'll make sense like when the time comes to tell that story. But we have
me. Hey y'all, I'm back.
I'm
in
back.
Florida, Boca Raton. What is up?
Are you going back to Kentucky?
No.
Are you ready?
Oh, I'm so ready. So excited. Can't wait to get it done again.
All right, let's go. All right. We are rolling. All right, good. 1, 2, 3. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the I, D, E. And ironically, I made a promise, and I'm here with Promise doing this one light setup here in Boca Raton at Misner Park. I hope I'm saying that right. But let us know where we can find you at.
Like here in Boca? Like
if you want people to find you here in Boca, no, but Instagram,
me.
yeah.
Promise Isabella, you can type in Promise Cross, you know, it'll come up.
Okay, so I'm going to put it in the bottom left-hand corner. Of course, spell it out for you. But we're gonna get some vibes. It's the sun is going down right now, so we are kind of working our way from the outside in using the Sigma 35 because I want to get all of this. I want to capture all of this in the Nikon Z7 II. You ready? All right. Oh, it is pretty bright out here. All right, 1, 2, 3. All right, I like that. Let me bring this around just a little bit. All right, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Hold that. 1, 2. Oh, I love that. Love that. Love that. Perfect. All right. 1, 2. Perfect. Like that. 1, 2. Hold that. Perfect. Tilt your chin up for me. Perfect. How you all doing? I want your opinion.
My opinion?
Yeah, what you think?
Oh, I love that. That's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, thank you. We can go. Let me bring this down just a little bit though. All right. 1, 2. Yep, okay. 1, 2, 2. Perfect, perfect, love it. Let's see, perfect, perfect. You got a favorite side?
Yeah, my left.
Your left? Okay. Oh yeah, so that's perfect. That's what I thought I remembered. So that's why I was like, when I face you this way, it should work. 2. Let me let in a little bit. All right. 1, 2. Perfect. Use that left hand and kind of like lean back with it. Yeah, perfect. 1, 2. You want to kick like that left leg out a little bit. Kind of like you just kind of like, yeah, perfect. Yep. Perfect. Let me bring this in. Perfect. Perfect. Yep, just like that. Oh, I love that. Perfect. Oh, okay. Yep. Let me boost that. Yeah. Perfect. How we gonna work the jacket? These are fire right here though. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, yeah. These take like one more little right there. Yep. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Up, all right, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. All right, let's see, 1, 2. Yeah, I like that, I like that. All right, perfect. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. I like that. 1, 2, 3. Like.
What is going on, guys? You just tuned in to T to the M to the IDD. And if you enjoy this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you really enjoy the content, check out some more of the videos that you see right here. Oh yeah, and hit that like button for me.